Welcome back to another interesting PC tips you need to know right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply identify your window version quickly. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to simply press Window plus R on your keyboard, and then this is round down box where it's going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply type CMD and then hit on OK. Then right here, what you need to do is to type in WinFast. Then hit enter. So in a few seconds, it's going to generate you with your window version. As you can see right here, I'm using Windows 10. So right here, these are the version of my Windows PC right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.